Hey, what's going on, guys? And today I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft Pocket Edition for free in the new version 1.0. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first, go to Google or Chrome. Once you go to Google, search for m.aptoid. Once you search that, you will go in here, then click the top, and then it will take you to this page. And then go install free now, and once you've installed it, it will appear on your device. And then go inside the Aptoid. And then go to just let it there go, and then search for Minecraft PE like that, and then you take that one. Then as you can see, there's other versions, latest 1.0. So just click down install. This is open because I just downloaded it. Then once you download it, now it's over here. Alright. It is free, guys. See, look, that's version 1.0.0. Now let's click play. As you can see, this is all 1.0. Just create a world for a second. Of course, don't want to get killed. And this one. Mesa, Tiger Bay, Survival Island. Let's go, Survival Island. Then click play. And building terrain, as you can see. This is real, guys. Once I've installed this Aptoid thing and I searched for Minecraft PE, it was free. I was so freaked out. Where are we? Really? The Survival Island. Is there an ocean monument? Is there an ocean monument around here? Let's take a night vision. Also new person. But I like the pink one. This is last. Can see some things. Is there the ocean monument? No, they're not. No, there isn't. Yes. Shit. Hey. Alright, guys. That's it for today's video, and yeah, see you guys later. Goodbye.